Hello and welcome to our latest update on the turmeric market. As of today, the turmeric spot prices across major markets have remained relatively stable, even though arrivals have seen a decline. In key markets like Dugirala, Nizamabad, and Basmatnagar, prices have dropped by 200 rupees to 500 rupees per quintal, driven primarily by weak demand. However, it's interesting to note that the market in Erode has not followed this downward trend. Local sources are pointing out that the ongoing weakness in the NCDEX futures market is having a direct impact on spot prices. Despite this, there is optimism on the horizon, with upcoming festivals like Dussehra and Diwali expected to spur demand, which could potentially push prices higher in the near future. Moreover, reports of crop damage and the fact that the next turmeric harvest is still 4 months away are adding to the possibility of price stabilization. With prices having already risen by almost 2,000 rupees per quintal from recent lows, stockists and large farmers are showing reluctance to release their stocks into the market, further contributing to price stability. Today's market arrivals have significantly dropped to 5,150 bags from 16,550 in the previous session, mainly due to the closure of markets in Nanded, Hingoli, and Sangli. On the NCDEX futures front, prices have continued their downward trend for the third consecutive session, closing sharply lower due to fresh selling activity. The prices have been unable to hold above the 14,500 rupees level. In October, NCDEX futures saw a 3.2% drop, while December futures declined by 2.5%. Looking ahead, we may see some pressure on spot prices as panic selling could emerge in response to these NCDEX futures trends. However, the limited supply and the delayed arrival of the new crop suggest that a steep drop in prices is unlikely in the short term. Here are the current NCDEX spot prices. Nizamabad, polished, 14,578 rupees per quintal. Nizamabad, unpolished, 13,858 rupees per quintal. Sangli, Rajapur, 16,062 rupees per quintal. As for the NCDEX futures prices, October 2024, 13,906 rupees per quintal, a drop of 456 rupees or 3.2%. December 2024, 14,430 rupees per quintal, down by 368 rupees or 2.5%. For the October turmeric contract, prices settled at 13,906 rupees per quintal, marking a fall of 456 rupees from the previous close. The contract traded within a range of 13,860 rupees to 14,300 rupees for the day. Open interest increased by 5 metric tons, reaching 13,410 metric tons, while trading volume dropped by 200, standing at 1,710 metric tons. For the December turmeric contract, it settled at 14,430 rupees per quintal, down by 368 rupees from the previous session. The contract moved between 14,360 rupees and 14,830 rupees for the day. Open interest rose by 160 metric tons to 4,240 metric tons, while trading volume saw a slight decrease to 630 metric tons. Currently, the spread between the October and December contracts is 524 rupees per quintal. As of September 30, 2024, turmeric stocks in NCDEX accredited warehouses stood at 6,001 metric tons. For advanced analysis on turmeric and spices market, you can contact us for our paid services. That's all for today's turmeric market update. Stay tuned to our channel for the latest insights and analysis on commodities. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.